Hello, this is Charlotte. Welcome to the product launch of this week. As the holiday season is approaching, many brands have already made complete preparation for their marketing campaign. So in this video, we summarize some effective event display kits that can help expose your brand and boost your sales during the holiday season. The most popular outdoor event display kit consists of a 10 by 20 feet canopy tent, 2 feather flags, 2 banner stands, and a piece of the tablecloth. With your logo and promotion messages printed, this display kit can grab the attention of passers-by easily. Also, this display is quite flexible to use at any event. You can set it up in front of your physical shop to create a pop-up store to catch people's eyes, or you can take them to an outdoor market to exhibit your products and showcase your brand to more potential customers. If you plan to create an indoor advertising, then this indoor event display kit will perfectly fit your needs. Hanging banners will leave a lasting impression on your audience. No one will ignore an eye-catching display backdrop. Custom printed banner, stand, and display booth stand help increase the appealingness of your event and bring visitors to your booth. We offer a wide selection of event display kits to meet your different needs. On CFM Online Store, you can even freely select what you would like to use and create your own preferred display kits for your upcoming events. Besides the complete display solution, we also provide you with a series of value-added supports like 24-hour free artwork service, super fast 24-hour lead time, and complete online digital assets. We print and you make an impact.